Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sri Life to Logics. So today we are going to solve a very interesting problem from Geeks for Geeks called maximum overlapping intervals. So this problem is commonly asked in interviews and is based on sorting and sweepline technique. So now let us understand the problem by step. So we are given an array of intervals where each interval has two values, which is start time and end time. So our task is simple, that we need to find the maximum number of intervals that overlap at any point in time. So in simple words, I can say that at which time point the most number of intervals are active together. So coming to the example, if we take the input as this array, so let's see how these intervals overlap. So in the interval 1 from 1 to 2, and in interval 2 from 2 to 4, and in interval 3 from 3 to 6, between 1, 2 and 2, 4, the overlap is 2, and between 2, 4 and 3, 6, there is an overlap is 2. So the maximum overlapping intervals at any point is 2. So we get the output as 2. So now let us understand the logic. So firstly, we are going to create two arrays. One is for all start times and one for all end times. So we need to sort both the arrays. Then we use two pointers, one pointer for start array and one pointer for end array. Then we maintain a count which current active intervals and maximum overlap, which is maximum overlap found so far. So then we traverse both the arrays as we put a condition like start of I, which is less than or equal to end of j, then one more interval start which increases the count, else one interval ends, then it decreases the count. So we need to update the maximum overlap each time. So this is called a sweep line algorithm. Now let us understand the coding part. This function will return the maximum overlap. Then we create the two arrays to store start and end times. So we fill both arrays from the input. Then we sort both the arrays. We also initialize the pointers and counters. Then we write the logic as if a new interval starts before the previous ends, then overlap increases. If the interval ends, then it decreases the count. Then we track the maximum overlap. Then we return the answer. And this code is working very effectively. So now coming to time complexity, as we are using the sorting method, the time complexity is O of n log n, and as we use two extra arrays of size n, so the space complexity is O of n. So this approach is very efficient. It avoids checking every pair of intervals. So today we learned how to find maximum overlapping intervals and sweep line technique. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment down if you understand the problem. I will see you in the next video with another DSA problem. Until then, keep practicing and keep growing. Thank you.